Today we'll have presentation of three teams. Each team will going to speak about the English literature from the beginning, from the old century to the 21st century. And accordingly, three teams are being categorized. And the first team, Team A, is here to present on the presentation starting from the ancient English literature. So go on. Let's start the presentation.
Hi everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to students of English student classes. Thank you for coming today. I am Soumya Kumari. First I have introduced my teammates. He is Vivek, he is Ankit and he is Ghanshyam. So come to my presentation. In this presentation, first I have introduced my content. In this content, the first topic is English literature. English literature that discussed by me, and second topic is Old English literature that discussed by my teammate Ghanshyam. And third topic is Middle English literature and the medieval theatre that discussed by my teammate Vivek. And third topic is English stanzas, whole English stanzas discussed by my teammate Ankit. So let's start my topic. So all the students focused on my presentation. My topic is English literature. And in this topic, first point is its origin. So let's start my topic, its origin. The article is focused on English language literature. English language literature until the 19th century. It connects with the United Kingdom and multiple crown, and it includes writers from Scotland, Wales, Crown dependencies and whole of Ireland, and it does not include the English writers languages of Britain. And then move from its development and spread. The development of English language literature over the course of more than 1,400 years. Old English literature is very essential part of develop the English language literature. Beowulf is the very famous work in Old English literature and achieved national epic in England. And the English spoken after the Normans is called Middle English literature. When in the invention of printing press by John Gutenberg, it helped to produce and standardize the English language literature, and many poetry that helped to produce the English language literature in all over society. So move from poet and poetry. William Shakespeare is the greatest poet in English language and one of the greatest dramatists. And in the 19th century, Sir Walter Scott is the very novelist, and it creates the generation to inspire the prose poetry and all over the writers and many things. So all the things I have discussed about in help the mind map. So this.
Silent.
Literature. First point is focused on English literature rather than in England. Is connect the UK, that means United Kingdom, and many of the countries like Crown dependencies and Ireland. Okay, and third point is it does not include the it does not include the other languages of Britain. And its development over the more than course of 1,400 years. Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer is the father of the English literature that many works in the English literature and the many poets and also printing press. Printing press is helped to develop the English language and English literature in ancient time. And also William Shakespeare is the greatest poet in the English language and many work in English language to develop the in ancient time. And lastly, late 16th and 18th century developed the British rule and also developed the English language literature. So this is the end of my topic, and my next topic is Old English literature that discuss my teammate Ghanshyam. So come.
Close the marker. Close the marker.
Yeah. My core part in Old English literature scripture 450 to 1066. First of the Old English literature, Anglo-Saxon word basis which views Germanic language. So the Old English literature or Anglo-Saxon. Anglo-Saxon is compared Old English in Anglo-Saxon. In England, 7th century latest decades after Norman conquest 10,066. Anglo-Saxon. Anglo-Saxon was early medieval England. Medieval English, existing from 5 to 11th century.
It's fine, go on. It's fine, go on. Yes, with the help of what you said.
Anglo-Saxon 5 to 11th century. The end of Romance Britain conquest. Romance Britain conquest 1066. It considered of various angular kingdoms until 9 to 27. It was united the Kingdom of England by it becomes part of the short-lived North Asia Empire of the Great Personal between England, Denmark and Norway in the 11th century. Second is word basis, but there includes word basis hagiography, Bible translation, chronicles, riddles. Vidis is an old English poem. Old English poem of 143 lines. The poem survive in only Exeter book. A manuscript of Old English poetry. Old English complete in the late of 10th century. approximately 116 survive for Old English poetry. Second of Beowulf, page of Beowulf. Beowulf is an epic poem. Epic consists of 31 attitude literative lines. It is one of the most important. It is one of the most important and most after work of include literature or Old English literature. Third of the Germanic language. Germanic language are family in Indo-Europe. Indo-Europe spoken language natively in people of 500 million. Mostly Indo-Europe, North America, Ocean. So that second thing might be big.
As a friend told about Old English literature, and now I will continue to the next point. In the next point is Middle English literature. The Middle English literature, it is started from 1066 and it lasted from to 15th century. And the topic that I want to discuss in this topic is French language, religious literature, King Arthur, Bible translation, and world movement and self-government in the Green Knight. The first French language is the normal conquest. In Britain, there is coming the parliament government in French. So the language which is spoken in the Britain is mainly in French, and there is the dominance of English is decreasing. And after that time, the literature which are written there is on the basis of religious and culture, and the people who are living there, and the literature is also written in many dialects, just like the French dialect, Latin dialects, and English dialect. Many people also write in English dialects. Bible translation is doing also in this period, that is 1382 to 1395, and all Bible translation is take a rodent movement from this. There is also again the English is coming in empowerment, and Sir Gawain and the Green Knight is a biography of King Arthur, which is presented in a gold mister in a table and round table conference. And there is also dominance of the English is coming. In the medieval theatre, in the Middle English, there is also a first time a woman is presented first time woman write a poem in this period, and there is also starting printing press. Medieval theatre. In the Middle English, there is also started theatre first time. And that theatre is basis of drama, mystery, miracle plays, York cycle, and it is started in the New York first time. And the drama is work basis on the Christian religious, and it is doing in the churches mainly. And after time, it is going on the roadside, and the people who are living there is also starting performing, and they started to learn their livelihood from the drama. And the drama is basis on mystery medical plays. It means the drama who are doing there is depend upon the mystery. Means what is doing in the sense and miracles. It means what is how can anyone be make fun. And York cycle. It is means the New York City where it is be performed. And it is the first scene of medieval theatre. It means the drama sense. In the next topic, which is described by Ankit.
As my team told about the Middle English, now I told about the Renaissance. Renaissance is the revival of a classic literature, and decrease and increase of awareness of people which have no idea about the any literature. And in this period William Sexton introduced printing press in England 1487, and in the vernacular in the vernacular literature flourished in the England. The Reformation inspired the Book of Common Prayer and which led to with common prayer. And the Italian influence can also be found in the poetry of Thomas Waite, one of the earliest English Renaissance poet. And the next Elizabethan period, it is started on 1558 and the 1603 and poetry. Edmund Spenser and Fairy Queen was a great poet in the Elizabethan period. And in the drama, William Shakespeare was the great dramatist and great writer in the Elizabethan period, which include the romance in the poetry and the drama. They are inspired of people which and aware of people to the romance. And other important figure in the Elizabeth period, Christopher Marlowe and Ben Jonson, Thomas Dekker and John Fletcher. And the Jacobean period, it is started on 1603 and 1625. In the 1625, and in the early 17th century, Shakespeare wrote the so-called problem stage, as well as number of his best known tragedies. After Shakespeare's death, the poet of dramatist Ben Jonson was the leading literary figure of Jacobean era. In the Jacobean era, translated Bible in the local language, which is read by people. And the poetry, George Chapman remembered chiefly for his famous translation in the 1666 into Homer and Odyssey into English version. And the Shakespeare popularized the English Senate, which made significant changes to Petrarch models. And the most important prose works of the early 17th century was the King James Bible. This is one of the most massive translation project in the history of English. Up to this time was started in 1604 and completed in 1611. In the late Renaissance period, in this period, metaphysical poet John Donne and the George Herbert. And in the 17th century, a second generation of metaphysical poets were writing, including Richard Crusoe, Andrew Marvell, Thomas Pym, and Henry Vaughan Guggen. And it is now I will complete my topic, and next is the video. now to conclude, I would call to Vivek, which is conclude my topic.
As we study about English literature, as we move towards the daily life, there is many people who speak about, I learned many things in any subject, I learned whole things in any subject, but it is fully wrong. Because which is take 20th century to come in the form, how can anyone learn in 1 year, in one life? It is very impossible. And how can anyone learn in 10 and 30 years? So, if we say we learn many things, that is very wrong about any literature, because literature is dynamic, it changes day to day. And how can anyone is a great person in any literature? And as a baby grow from bottom, first time he is starting to go along the ground, and after he is starting from day to day, and he learn many things in his life. Just like English is also coming in such way. In a starting, it is coming in a normal way, and after time, it is coming in at this time. We learn it is in a very huge amount. We have to learn it. And in the early, as we got in the starting in any business, if we started, then it is starting from when we think how can it be done and how it will be done. And after some time, if it is going, and it become a very good business, just like English literature. In the starting, there is doing a very difficulties in the literature, but in these days, we saw a variety of things in English literature, just like we are doing everything in English literature, and there would be no any work done in English literature. So we have to learn it very well, and we learn many things from this.
Okay, the way you give presentation tell us that there is a lack of preparation from your side, which is a very bad thing. Some of the students perform very bad. However, I would like to ask you a question. Only one question to each team. Ankit, come here. Anyone can take my question. With the coming of printing press, the outreach of literature becomes huge successful in European countries. How you did so?
Because when printing press come in England, first time print a Bible, which is inspired of people and to break of monopoly of Pope, which is polarized of people in society, and they are not. The popes did not represent in a good way of a Bible. When a printing press come, first time when Bible print in a local language, in easy way, it afford all people, and which is a success, which is the very impact on in the society, and also help of to increase of literature in a society.
Okay, fine, good.